Good afternoon, everybody. It's Chris
and Joan
from Chris and Joan's Travels. Well, it's been a busy day so far. We made it onto the Joy. We had lunch at the local. We went and checked out the spa. Now our room is available, so Joni was going to give you a tour of our room.
Hello.
Fine. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. So now it's time to get a tour of the room, a room tour. Here we go. So this is room 15780. It is a club balcony. It's here on the 15th deck. And here we go. Entering.
As usual, when you first enter, you're going to want to put your key card in the slot there. Any card. We use, our Sam's Club card, an old room key card. You need that for the lights to go on, otherwise the lights and the air will not go on. And then also there's this, what do you want? Hit that and it says makeup room. This says do not disturb and the button is on the outside.
Yeah, so if you want to know. So do not disturb and then make up the room, and then when the key card is in there, pull the key card out. See, no key card. Put the key card in, it makes the light at home go on. And then if you want the room made up, you press the makeup room, or you press do not disturb. And that's how your steward knows whether or not to come in. That's the AC. This is kind of touchy. You can decide how much AC you want or how little AC you want just by going up, down. We usually leave it kind of there to start. There you go.
All right, and here's the bathroom. Watch your step.
Yeah, you watch your step.
Everyone always needs to watch your step. So since this is a club balcony, it has a long sink, and you got your, right here, you got your cups. You got some storage right there. Got some storage right there. It's a good storage. You got storage down there in the cubbies. And I got some storage right here. Got some cupboards right here, so I think we have some good storage on this. And then the shower is a good sized shower. Has the shower head, and you can move that up and down. And it has the extra nozzles for the extra sprays, and you got your feet, so it's an extra powerful. And then you can make it to different points for that. And then you got some spots for your toiletries. They do provide you with, so it's a conditioning shampoo, so it's all in one, as I always say. I don't like it, so if you just use this, you still will need to use your conditioner because it is dry, I feel. But the body wash is good, so they have a conditioning shampoo combo and a body wash provided. And then it's not there, but there's a shower. And then if you just pull that across, it gives you a clothesline to the other side here. So that gives you a clothesline to dry your clothes. So this is a really good sized shower. Long. So, and toilet, and you got some hooks on the back of the door. And you got your towels. Coming out of the bathroom, we have they provide you with two hooks, a good size. Those are whole things. We bring magnets to, so this wall is magnet size. So you can put magnets, and we put magnet hooks up there. And then you got a full-size mirror. And then you have the desk area. You have the couch. And the couch can be made into a bed if you want to. What most people don't realize is this couch does pull out. I mean, there's drawers on both sides.
It may even travel on the other side of the road. The best idea is to go both ways.
So that's a lot of storage right there. I think one of our first ones, we didn't know about it. The second one, it took us a while. So.
Yeah, actually, this one doesn't turn into a bed.
Oh, this one does not turn.
This would be the bed. This room is actually only designated for two.
Two. Then you got a closet, good sized closet. And they do provide hangers. Good sized closet. It looks like those hangers there are left over from someone else, so that's fine. It's good storage right there. Some more hangers. And then it's good storage up there. Then you got shelves for storage. And then you have a safe. So the safe is not going to hold my arm, just goes to my wrist. It will not hold a laptop at all. It might, I don't even know if it would hold my tablet, most likely not. It's really just meant for your, yes, let's try. It won't hold your tablet. Nope. No tablets.
No, that's a normal size tablet.
Yeah, so it's just meant for your keys, your wallet, your jewelry, personal stuff that you want. Now this is the laundry bag. Of course I can't get to it. So they provide you with a laundry bag. So there is no laundry service on the ships on the NCL. They will do the laundry for you. You have to send it out for laundry service. So you have to fill out this bag and you fill out this information. And we actually have done 2 or 3 laundry videos. So check those out. Tell you how exactly to do it. It will tell you. And since we are in a club balcony, we get 1 free laundry service per stateroom. And we also get, since we are platinum, we each get 1 free laundry. So technically we have 3, we can do 3 loads of laundry for the week. You just fill this information out, and if you're part of, you get it free. You write on it, you know, whether you're platinum, you write on it whether you're club balcony. Otherwise, in the midweek, they will have a special of, I think it's now $34 for, so basically you fill this bag up, it's a paper bag. And you fill that up as much as you can fill in it, and then they will provide you, and they will take it away and bring it back within a day or 2. So that is that, and then here is the desk. It has 1 regular port, European port, so it technically has 3 regular ports, which is pretty good. And we bring our own extenders, and that's there. You can use that for storage on the little slide there. It does provide you with a stool, and the hair dryer, as everyone always wants to know, is down below here. It does not move. It is stationary. It does have to stay there. And is it powerful enough? Not too powerful, but it works. But if you know. And I've also done a hair dryer video. You want to check that out. So this is the hair dryer, but you have to do your hair here. You cannot do it in the bathroom. There are no plugs in the bathroom. Curling irons, everything here. All that you have to do here at the desk. Nothing can be done in the bathroom. This is a little mini fridge. And they do have all this stuff in here and none of that is complimentary. If you drink it, you will get charged. But we are on the this room, we get 2 free water bottles. And then plus we have the drink package. This is not included in the drink package. And your phone. And the thing about the phone is it goes for time, because otherwise there are no clocks. And then we like these little ones, these little drawers for storage. Good size storage is here. And then you have basic TV, does swivel a little bit. And then you have some storage down here. And this tells you about the room service and other things on the ship. And then the side end table. And then the side of the bed has light. It will have a little night light, reading light. And it does have a USB port. That's it. And then good sized bed. And then we always, plenty of room under there. We fit 4 large suitcases under our bed. So everyone always wants to know, where do you put your luggage? You put your luggage under the bed. There's a lot of storage. And on the other side, there's another end table. Light for here and light for outside. Same little reading light and then night light and another USB port. So if you do have a CPAP machine, you cannot do it next to the bed. You will have to plug it over by the desk. And most likely, you don't have a cord, so you can ask the room steward to bring you an extension cord, and they will do that for you. And then that's just, so it's a good sized room. I think plenty of room here. And then here is the balcony. And it's typical balconies. Down is open. And once you open the door, the air will go off. So even if it's not completely shut, you will lose your air. So always make sure it's shut all the way. And then we have a good sized balcony. It's basic. With a chair and 2 chairs and table. And then a little up here. So we are in Port Canaveral, Cape Canaveral. And we got the Disney, maybe that's the Wish, and Usher Welts. So this is our view from our balcony today. Very nice. So watch your step when you come out from the balcony also. And then when you shut, up. And then this is door lock up there. So you push that out, pull it out, and this way it'll lock it. So that's safety if you have kids. So that is, people were asking about, they were worried about having kids in the balcony room. You would just push that lock out so that they can't open it, even if they can get through the door handles. So this is our room tour. This is where we'll be. This is our first time on the NCL Joy. Just like the other ships, for the most part.
Much like the Bliss, the Getaway, the Escape.
Yeah. I think we like it. It's nice.
This is a club balcony. So I think this is nice. A nice view right now while we're in port of a couple Disney ships.
Yeah.
Get a good picture of the balcony. Okay, everybody. This was
I'm short. I can't hold it.
Joni can't handle it. So this was our NCL Joy room 15780 room tour, and I'm Chris.
And Joan from Chris and Joan's Travels. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment below, follow us along for our other videos, on our hairdryer, videos on the laundry service, videos on other room tours of other ships, and just our ship tours. So just follow us along and let us know what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, definitely. We're up to 590. 10 to go.
We need
600.
We need some more people. Thanks for
everybody.
watching. Bye.
Bye.